What's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. Yes, that's how I've started every room tour I've ever done, and that is how I'm going to start this one too. Hello, beautiful people. What's up? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I have freaking missed you. And guess what? Today is the day you've all finally been waiting for. No, I did not find a boyfriend, but I did finally finish my bedroom. After 2 whole years of moving into my new apartment and sleeping on a mattress on the floor, literally for the last year and a half, I have finally finished my masterpiece. It's perfect. I love it. I cannot wait to show you. So instead of me just rambling and chatting about whatever, I'm going to show you. So we're going to show you guys the full bedroom tour extravaganza. So without further ado, here we go. A very extra, finally long freaking awaited bedroom tour. I'm so excited, woo, and I just can't hide it, woo, I'm about to lose control, and okay, that's my cue. Here we go. Is this not the frickin' mood of the century? Are you guys even ready for this? You ready, Georgie? Yeah, okay, here we go. Drum roll, please. Oh my god. Oh, look. Okay. Anyways, here we go. Is this not the best thing you've ever seen? Oh my god. 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 Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like section by section and explain the whole thing and show you everything. But first, oh my god, are we kidding? Wow, there's literally no better outfit to do a room tour in than this. So, anyways. So this is my bedroom. Obviously, it is very over the top. It was all inspired kind of like Versailles French decor. So, here we go. Alrighty, so obviously this is my bed. Oh my god, he's a beauty. This is literally real silk bed sheets that I really need to get steamed because it's wrinkly, but oh my god, phenomenal. I have 500 matching pillows because we love matching pillows. They're so luxurious. I feel like a literal queen laying in this bed. Also my shoe, hello, fire. Okay, anywhoosie. So fun fact, in case you're wondering, how did I find this fabulous thing to match my bedding so perfectly and the curtains over there to match the bedding so perfectly? Well, I did not find something that matched so perfectly. I just happened to be insane. So I bought extra duvet covers and literally chopped them up and made them into curtains for there and over there. So that's that. Another fun fact. I'm so indecisive, I could not decide on a bed frame, so I actually don't have one. You guys actually might remember this. This is like golden angel thingies. You guys saw me buy these in my flea market shopping video, but yeah, I thought they made an excellent little headboard. Got these cool little gold curtain tie back thingies, so fun. We got one up there to, you know, kind of hold it all together. So that's kind of like my bed's little story there. Now, oh my god, the mirrors. So these mirrors were actually made for me based on this picture that I saw on Pinterest. I could have just tried to find something that looked like them, but no, I decided I had to have literally a carbon copy. So the mirrors were custom made by my faves ever over at Pearlworks, the same people who made all the other fabulous French looking decor for the rest of my little palace. And that's how those were born. You can see they're like a gold leafing. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the detailing. It's unbelievable. We even got some birds to look like Harry Styles tattoos. No, I'm kidding, kind of, not really. And oh my god, it's gorgeous. And of course, I could have just gotten one, but then I was like, no, I want 2. The more mirrors, the merrier. Mirror. Get it? I love a good pun, but anywho, this is literally the prettiest mirror I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, it's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Wow, like, oh my god, are you kidding me? The aesthetic of this? Unbelievable. Okay, so in case you were wondering about, well, literally everything else. Okay, so I should have really, this doesn't look that good. I really should have taken this away, but whatever, it's here now. So, okay, anyways, the furniture. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's so pretty. Look at the wood, look at the intricate detailing. Okay, so all of my furniture I actually bought on eBay. Yes, I am not kidding. I literally bought old antique furniture for super cheap from Orlando, Miami, I forget. I think some probably like cool retired couple that was getting rid of their stuff. So I got this for a smash
big deal. And then I went ahead and, you know, redid them and repainted them and made them fabulous.
Now they're so beautiful. Oh my God, I'm literally obsessed with them. So pretty. Of course, I'm obsessed with candles too. So these are my favorite candles in the world. Pumpkin cupcake from Bath & Body Works. I have these burning year round, but you know, since it is fall, it at least makes sense now. But these, you guys remember me buying these really cool little thingies? I got these at a market in London. So those are super fun. I have those and this. Oh my God. You guys know I love angels. This is a golden angel statue. I actually got this at a random Lamps Plus is where I discovered this. But look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my God, the detailing. And she just so happens to fit my candle perfectly. So I figured it was destiny. So of course I have that set up over there. And then I have the exact matching side set up over here. Oh, except on this side, I also have this fun little like vintage perfume. Oh my God, how cute is this? I love it. I love birds. So that's super fun. We got that. Again, the little angel lady. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Literally just gonna gasp like this whole video. Gasp, gasp, gasp. Okay, so that is kind of the story about this little area. And of course, I, you know, put in a chandelier.
So I'm a certified crazy person, you guys know this, and I believe that there should be a chandelier in every room of the house. So this chandelier not only did not go here, but there's also no outlet here. So I had to literally drill a hole in the ceiling. Don't worry, I didn't do it. I had like a professional person do it because I didn't want it to fall on my head and kill me in the night, though. That would have been a very funny, very on-brand way to go. But yeah, so I hired an electrician to hang that in, and oh my God.
Look at it. It's literally the most beautiful chandelier I've ever seen in my life. Oh, wow. A freaking masterpiece.
I actually put this on Instagram a lot, but in the mornings it's so cool because the sun will shine right through my window and literally onto the chandelier, and it creates like a little rainbow wonderland, and it's like, takes my breath away every time.
Oh my goodness. We love that. Okay, anywhoosie. So moving along from this main area here, you can see again, I hung these little curtain things, which I explained the curtains, but these are so beautiful. Of course, I had to match the little gold curtain pullback thing, so I did that myself. Fabulous. Then I actually got this table on eBay. Look at how cool this is. It's like bronze roses. Oh my God, I'm literally obsessed with it. It's so cool. It ironically did not come with a tabletop, but it was only $30. So I had to buy glass, and then it was fabulous. Of course, put some pink roses. Some of them are dying a little bit because I don't have a green thumb, but you know, cute.
I read online somewhere that fresh flowers are supposed to like bring you happiness and soothe you, so I thought putting some in my bedroom would be fun. Pretty.
Now what you guys really want to know about in the background, my purse collection. I feel like I'm on The Price is Right. Oh, deal or no deal? I haven't watched a game show in a really long time. Okay, anyways, here they are. Da, da, da. Oh my God, this is the best thing I've ever seen. So we got the nice, pretty more wood furniture here, dresser thingy. Then we have all of my purses on display on top of them, and sunglasses too, because honestly, I just didn't know where else to put my sunglasses. Oh, art.
So in some of my really early videos back when I was driving for Postmates, you guys might have seen that there was a Chanel box that I used to put in the background of my videos on display, and it was one that I literally stole out of someone's trash can on a Postmates delivery. But I remember thinking, God, someday I'll have one that I didn't have to dig out of someone's trash can, and yeah. So this wall is kind of like my little I made it wall. Yeah, so this is art to me. If you dream it, you can do it. And that is the deeper meaning of everything.
Moving on from fashion art to actual art. Okay, so, I really just wanted a nude woman hanging in my room.
I'm really picky about art, and it's honestly not every day that you like see Renaissance paintings just like hanging around people's homes. So I thought this was fun. It totally happens to go with the pink, and I just thought it was very, I don't know, it was like tasteful nudity. A tasteful hoe painting.
So what's funny is this is actually not even a real painting. It's a print of a painting that I got for like 30 bucks. Again, Amazon, we stand. That was super cool. And then I had it framed all fancy. I actually got this framed at Michael's. Like, look at how beautiful. It's like a little golden frame. So it looks like a real artsy painting. Ah, she's beautiful.
Very my aesthetic.
And now maybe one of my favorite sections of my room that exists. The vanity. Oh, it's a masterpiece. First of all, look at the desk. So fancy and fabulous. I just am obsessed with it. And then, of
course, if you're looking at the chair and you're also wondering, Amber, how did you get that to match the bed, to match the curtains, to match the other curtains, all so perfectly? Well, that's because I cut up a pillow and upholstered the chair. Also, could you dye it this little fluffy shawl thing? Look at that vintage Versace. I got it on eBay. Amazing. So on top of the desk is where I kind of keep all of my fancy jewelry and whatnot. So you can see I have all of these really amazing little like bronzy, like little antique perfume bottles. And I have all my really fancy jewelry sits on here. We have all my little diamondy necklaces and whatnot. So fun. Then of course, more fancy jewelry. And then some fancy perfumes. These are the ones I got in Paris. So fun. Also, fun fact. Do you guys recognize this mirror? Yes, this is the mirror that I used in my DIY flower mirror video. But then I had, obviously, the Pearlworks people who made those mirrors paint it, add some extra mirror shenanigans and some filigree action and turn it into this. So this mirror has really lived many lives since I found it at HomeGoods. But yeah, that's his story. Oh my God, look at this. I feel like a princess. Oh, we love it. Also, fun fact, these little things. So these are like little angel candle holders. Look at that, so beautiful. They're like bronze from the 30s, so cute. Again, I literally love angels, so we're super into that. But I just thought that made it like extra glamorous. Let's see, what else? You wanna see a full 360 of the room? There we go, we have that. Da-da, 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 ta-da! Oh, so like if you're sitting in bed, this is kind of what you see. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. You can kind of see outside. I just literally put the messos on my floor outside instead of in here so I could film this video, but enough exposing myself. So if we continue our tour onwards, ta-da! Oh, I should definitely turn the lights on because it's still, oh, this is fun. I always leave like little notes around the house. This is important to remember, but anyways, yeah, so I didn't put a chandelier there, though I really wanted to, but it's fine. So here we have like my double mirrored closet thingy, basically just for me to do my outfit of the days. I went ahead and hung the little painting that I got at the flea market in France up here. I just love this painting. This is hand painted. Isn't that amazing? Wow, I love it. By the way, I can't believe I almost forgot to show you my closet. You guys have seen my closet, but this is my closet. I have done tours of my closet before, but here you can see it again. Yeah. I love my closet because I love clothes. I love stuff. It's just, you know, so fun. So, of course, my shoes, the greatest. I mean, this isn't all of my shoes, but this is some of my shoes. So we have those on display here. So we have a bunch of shoes and boxes and stuff over here. I have my little Bratz doll that I turned into me on display here. So that's super cute. She's like the ruler of the closet. That box in the middle, that's the one I got out of the trash can. Granted, it has, you know, quite a few friends now, but that one will always mean something special. So that is basically my closet. What else do we got here? The funny peacock thing that I got at the estate sale, I put up there. And then, oh, boom, baby. A whole vibe. Okay, so I literally have two sinks. I have that sink and then I also have this sink. I think it's because a couple is supposed to live here, but instead I live here by myself, so I have two sinks. But this is my little kind of setup here. I have the little golden little wings to make the sink look a little more fabulous. Then I went ahead and got these little candelabra things. Oh my God, how cool are these? Decorated this with, you know, I have a little Polaroid of me and Josh. I collect vintage perfume bottles. You guys know this. So I have a bunch of really cool ones. Like this one has like Renaissance art on it. I'm pretty sure you guys saw me buy this in a flea market video. And look at this one. Is this one not so freaking cool? I'm obsessed with it. So we got that. Look at all these little amazing trinkets. Oh my God, that's an angel. And then we have some more angels because I love angels. I love birds. Hi, little birdie. And then, oh, by the way, harp story. I know I said I was gonna get a full-sized harp. For now, this is all we got. Long story short, but basically the harp that I was supposed to get ended up getting bought out from under me by some other bidder. So, but I will be getting a full-sized harp, just not the one that I thought I was getting. So make sure you subscribe to hear more about Amber's harp dramas. But anyways, okay, yeah, that's that for now. Anywho's next up, my second sink. Ta-da! So this is my other bathroom. My bathroom's been in my videos before, so you guys know what it looks like, but you can see I literally did the whole thing myself. again, we have the angel wings to kind of glam it up. We have more perfumes that I love because we love perfumes. I love them, I love them, I love them. Then I love angels again. So we have these little like angels that I got in Italy actually. Super cool. And we have one of my favorite things in my whole bedroom, which is this. Don't forget to fall in love with yourself first by my icon, Carrie Bradshaw. There's no one more deserving of your own love than you, so make sure you remember that. Okay, so we also have more perfumes because I love perfumes. Look at all of these. Aren't these so cool? They're literally everywhere. I keep them all over the place. We even have like perfume with legs. We love that. I got this cool little shelf to hang those on. Again, a little antique-y toilet paper holder thing, another antique toilet paper holder thing. Oh, this is actually a tissue holder. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we got that going on. We got the shower, the curtains, and another mirror because mirrors, mirrors, mirrors. The more, like I said, the mirror. New word. I should really take a photo in here. This is cute. But anyways, that's pretty much my bathroom. Not too much more to show in here really. So that's that. And oh my God, it's beautiful. The shadow, now this is an aesthetic. And that is my bedroom tour. Boom, quick outfit change for the grand finale, but yeah, so I actually realized I forgot to film an outro, so I'm gonna film an outro now. By the way, we got that post-shower wavy hair, we love it. Okay, anyways, so I always get super sappy at the ends of videos like this because honestly, it's just hard not to. I'm a sappy person. I'm a big giant cheese ball, but I just wanted to say again, I know I say it a lot, but literally, truly every single thing, not only in this bedroom, but in my life, honestly, entirely is because of you guys. I know I say a lot, but I really do mean it more every time when I say thank you so much for everything. And by the way, the moral of this video and the moral of all my videos is never to show off stuff or whatever. What I want you to take away from this video is A, maybe a little home decor inspo, but B, never ever ever give up on your dreams because one day you might wake up and be literally living in them. So anyways, don't give up, kids. You got this. I love you so very much, and I will see you guys next time. From me and my bedroom to you. XO. What's up, MTV? It's Amber and welcome to my crib. For the very first time ever, welcome to my home. Because when am I going to get sick of white furniture? Never, I would imagine. But I guess talk to me in 10 years and I'll probably say I want like brown wood furniture. No, that would actually never happen.